Hey, 30 years building pools, over 1,000 of them, and I'm about to hand you the one thing that makes a pool finally click. If you just bought a house with a pool, or you've had one for years and still don't know what that humming box out back actually does, you're in the right place. Stick with me a few minutes and the whole system is going to make sense. So let's get pool schooled. Here's the secret. Your pool is just one big loop. The water never sits still. It's always traveling a circle. It leaves the pool dirty, gets cleaned and treated, and comes back. Every part on your equipment pad is just a stop along that loop. Once you can picture the path the water takes, nothing about your pool is a mystery anymore. Let's follow one drop. It leaves the pool in two spots. Up at the waterline, the skimmer pulls water off the surface. That's where leaves, bugs, and sunscreen get carried off. Down at the bottom, the main drain pulls from the deep water. This is the suction side, water heading out toward the equipment. First stop, the pump. The pump is the heart of the whole system, that motor you hear humming. Its only job is to pull water out of the pool and push it through everything else. No pump running, no loop. The water just sits there and turns green. From the pump, the water gets pushed into the filter. This is where it gets cleaned. The fine dirt you can't even see gets trapped, and clean water comes out the other side. Sand, cartridge, or DE, they all do the same job: catch the gunk. Next, if you've got one, the water runs through a heater. Not every pool has one, and that's fine. It's the optional stop. If you do, this is where your water gets warmed on the way through. Then comes the part that keeps the water safe to swim in, the sanitizer. That's your chlorinator, or, on a salt pool, your salt cell. And here's what a lot of folks get wrong. A salt pool is still a chlorine pool. The salt cell just makes the chlorine right there on the spot instead of you pouring it in. Either way, this is where the water gets treated. Now the water's been pulled out, cleaned, warmed, and sanitized, so it comes home. It flows back in through the return jets, those little eyeball fittings on your walls. Clean water in, and the loop starts all over. That's your whole pool, start to finish. Here's why this matters. When something goes wrong with a pool, it's almost always a problem somewhere on this loop. Weak flow, a part not doing its job, water that won't clear. Once you know the path, you know where to look. In the videos ahead, we'll walk that loop one stop at a time, so you know what each part does and how to tell when it's happy. So before you call the pool guy, get to know your loop. Follow the series and you'll never look at that equipment pad the same way again. I'm the pool gal, and that's getting pool schooled.